Oh, what's up, everybody? I'm coming to you today from our new house in Kansas. That's why I haven't been posting, but needs a little bit of work. So I'm gonna just take y'all on the inside. First of all, it has these wood shaker shingles that look, from what my neighbor tells me, not as good as they used to. And it's not even 10 years old. But this is our garage. Oh yeah, that's our rental. It's F-250. Very nice. But yeah, that's our garage. Oversized 2-car. And this is our lot. But what I really wanted to do was make a video talking about how, yeah, we can ride on the main road, but it's middle of nowhere, Kansas, so it's not that many cars. We're gonna be having a whole bunch of videos to make, like our gutters in certain places need work. Foundation, it's not super terrible for the house being 96 years old, but there's definitely separation in areas. We've already had our fun with a couple of leaks. Today is really our first day in the house, so quite a bit of yard work to do. These old trees are almost end of life when we can see, because they're pretty big branches falling off, but they don't go over the house or anything like that. So lots of cleaning is up. That's not a big issue right now. This came today. Yeah. Yes. Menards came through. That thing is heavy though, so we'll carry that out another time. So let's go in. Floors need to be refinished pretty bad. But it does have central heating and air. That's a plus. Old school vents right there. This is a little bitty bedroom. Let me just zoom out. It's not gonna be in great HD quality, but you'll get a better idea of the layout. And for some reason, oh, this is one of the leaks earlier, I was able to patch up. But this is the laundry room, and they rent it here. I'm not really sure why, instead of leaving this a closet. I guess they didn't feel like walking downstairs, because obviously the best place for it would be in the basement. Really high ceilings. Ceilings are like 10 feet. There's another bedroom. Not the largest of bedrooms, but, you know, for the price, not bad. This thing is filthy, though. It's hard to see on camera because I zoomed out. But, yes. This is my wife and daughter cleaning up the kitchen. Clean up the kitchen. A lot to do. There was a major leak in the basement. We were told by actually the water company, small town, so everybody know each other. And it actually was coming from the refrigerator. She just been down with me, but from the water line. It's a crazy leak. Found the water in there, but it was pouring into the basement. Look at these stairs. Need to be refinished. Nice wood though. It just needs to be refinished. It looks like somebody maybe painted it, or just that is really old stain. So lots of projects. Lots of cleaning to be done. Yeah. Oh, what? If you ever want to see what a foreclosure toilet looks like, and this is actually fairly clean. That's after I poured the bleach in there and let it sit and flushed it 15 times. Yeah, this floor, yeah, that's got to be redone. Down into the dungeon. All right. It's a nice sized basement. The problem with it is that it has these you have like these reinforcement walls back there already. Let me turn on a light. So you have that wall already, but then this just extra reinforces the wall. So you'll never have an issue really with these things caving in. Like I said, this house is 96 years old, but you have it over here too. But the problem is they take up a lot of space. All right, they take up a lot of real estate. So this is the aftermath of the puddle. All this was wet. It was a puddle here earlier, and the water was only on for like a minute. And it was coming out of the vents, pouring through the vents, pouring out of here. I got to get ready to take that up. I forgot. That's supposed to be the first thing I was supposed to do because that is asbestos. So you can just tape over that or you can take it off. If I take it off, the asbestos is going to fly all over the place. And I'll have all my, my respirator and everything is on our trailer being shipped. So I need to just tape over that for now. That's what we're going to do. All right, so right now I'm trying to work out this water heater. This water heater is only 2 years old, but I can't tell if it's full. It feels full. It's not hollow. It feels full. I tried to drain it. Some water came out. Let's see if it's a lot. Oh, yeah, that's full. So, but there's no hot water coming out. Now that I think about it, I don't think I checked to see if the hot water valves are on under the sinks and stuff. So I need to go try that. But anyway, needs a new window. Cobwebs galore. You can't see them. There's one. They're just all over the place. I can't film long, y'all, because I got to go help clean this thing because we only in the hotel for one more night. I don't want to extend it because that place is not great either. But yeah, I really just wanted to show you. Really, the point of this is to show you guys the before, because my wife's gonna be like, "You should have filmed after we did everything." So get a good look at all this. These stairs going into, it's a crawl space under there. Let's see what that's looking like. It's a bulb over there. And look, we can see right into the outside. You see that light coming in? Gotta go in there and seal that. And then it looks like over there. Wow, that's like right outside. Yeah, I gotta crawl in there one day. Not today, though. Not today. All this. We want to change all this. So much dust. So much dust and dirt. Get a good look at that. It's all gonna change. It's all gonna change. Upstairs. The upstairs isn't too terrible. Really, these stairs. I'm really seeing the red and the stain. But it isn't too terrible. Pretty large bathroom up here. And I didn't pour any bleach in this yet. So that red stuff is antifreeze. They do that when you winterize. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn this water on. Keep forgetting to do this. It smells like antifreeze too. Turn all the water on to everything and make sure everything is fine. Oh, that was off. Okay. So there's a big closet in the bathroom. Gotta figure out what to do with that. Get a good look at all this. Get a good look. All right. Moving on to the bedrooms. It's gonna be my daughter's room. She doesn't like the house. She feel like it needs too much work. But we'll get it together. She should like it in the end. My son's room. Super long closet. Doesn't even make sense. It's 14 feet long. What is that all about? Linen closet in the hallway. This is my oldest daughter's room. Now here's the crazy thing about this room. There is no central air in here, and there are no outlets. You see that? There's no outlets at all. But it's the only room that has something in the ceiling. So ultimately we want to put a ceiling fan there, but those things have outlets on them. And I see what they were doing before. They were just running extension cords across the ceiling and let them dangle down. And that's how they were getting their power. We'll do that for now, but I'm gonna just tap into this and run. These baseboards are super thick, so I'm just gonna pry those back and I'm gonna run the wires underneath that, cut probably into the plaster like down to here, and then cut all that out and then just run outlets along the baseboards. So easy solution. It won't be anything over here, but all the rest of the room will be straight going all the way over there. So anyway, that's it. I gotta go help them clean now because we got a lot to do.